Today, I will demonstrate the proper hand washing and explain why each step is important. Assemble all the equipments, the soap, the running water, and the clean towel.
Assist the hands, keep the nails short, remove all jewelry, and check for cuts. Nails and jewelry can trap microorganisms, so removing them help prevent contamination, and any cuts can also allow germs to enter or exit the skin. Turn on the water and adjust the flow. This helps control splashing and keeps water from spreading contaminants. Dispense 3 to 5 ml of liquid soap or use bar soap and apply to both hands. Soap helps reduce microorganisms. Rub palm to palm. Rub right palm over left hand dorsum with fingers interlaced. Do it vice versa in both hands. Rub palm to palm, fingers interlaced. Rub the back of the fingers to opposing palms with fingers intertwined. Do it vice versa. Do rotational rubbing of the left thumb clasp in the right thumb and vice versa. Rotational rubbing backwards and forwards with clasped fingers of right hand on the left palm, vice versa. It expands the volume of soap and free organisms that are lodged in the skin creases and crevices. Rinse the hand with water from fingers to wrist. Dry pat the hands from fingers to wrist. Wash hands. Clean hands reduce number of microorganisms that can be transmitted in the gloves. Peel off the wrapper and lay in a flat surface above the waist. Objects below waist level are considered contaminated. Open inner wrapper by touching only the outside corner. Secure both flaps in open position. Inner surface of wrapper is considered sterile. With the thumb and the first two fingers, non-dominant hand grasp the inner fold of the cuff. Sling the dominant hand, touching only the inner surface of the glove. With the dominant hand, slip 4 fingers underneath the cuff and second gloves with thumbs up. Slip the second hand into the second glove, touching only the inner part of the glove. Keeping hands above the waist, adjust glove fit touching only sterile area. In removing the sterile gloves, using the dominant hand, grasp the outer surface of the non-dominant glove just above the cuff without touching the exposed wrist. Peel off the gloves inside out. This keeps soiled parts of the gloves from touching the skin, wrist, and hands. Place on glove hand inside the cuff and the second glove. Peel off inside out, holding the first glove inside the second glove. Discard properly. Minimize the chance of contaminations. Wash hands. Prevent contamination.